Hi folks, Jeff here, and I want to show you, this is a 2012 Ford Escape, and the problem is that this rear hatch will not open. So in order to get to that latch and replace it, you've got to be able to pull the trim on the inside, and that trim wraps around on the side here. And so this is the latch that we're needing to get to. So let me give you a tip, and if you enjoy my videos, please click down on subscribe, like, follow, and I sure would appreciate it. So what you do is this glass will still open, and so we pop the glass open. Now the problem I had to start with is I popped this glass open and it fell down and caught me on the shoulder. So what we did was go ahead and order the new struts, and you see it just popped right up. Well, these are just real easy to put on. They just have little pins there, and what you do is you just get you a little screwdriver and you reach in and you just pop that clip up or off, and then this end will pop off, and do the same on the other end and just replace them. These do come in left or right. So back to the original problem that we can't get in here. So the easiest tech tip that I found to give you help was you just grab this and push real hard, where you push it over the top of this, and then just start popping that trim panel loose. We still won't be able to get it all the way off until we open this, but at least you can give it, and there's connectors right here on the top, and then about halfway down there's some more. So you just reach in there and pop those. Now how do we get this open so we can go ahead and replace it? These are the ones I'm talking about right here and right here, and they just hook in. They will make a big pop. So how do we get there? Well, once we've got this loose, remember, here's the latch that we're trying to replace, and it sits in there like this right here. It's got a connection here and connection here. So what you want to do is reach down, and either with your finger, or in my case, I'm going to use this little plastic piece, and what we want to do is just basically we want to pop that latch up, and this has a little motor in it, and that's what pulls it. We want to pop that up, and then the door panel will lift up. So let's see if I can do that real quick while we got you on here. So I reach up in there, and in this particular case I'm using this one to pull it up, and we get that to pop up. And now that we've got it open, we can go ahead and raise it up, and you can see there's some screws right here that we have to take off, and we'll take those loose, and then we'll be able to access the door latch on this hatch, and you can see it bolts in on the bottom. Well, if we take that off, we have to have this off to do that. So that's the easiest way that I can give you a tech tip. Remember, if you like my videos, click like, follow, or subscribe. As always, I appreciate you watching.